How do you start a task in Kepler? A task is Kepler's container for agent sessions, changes, and resources. The task you create for your coding agent depends on the context of your work. Add context based on issues, pull requests, or just exploration. After you connect to your issue tracker, your to-do list will populate with a list of assigned issues. From the Actions drop-down menu, let's select the option to Plan. This kicks off a session with the agent and model the user has set up for that action. The issues information feeds into the context of the task as the agent gets to work. To add more context, click to Open Full View or double-click the item. Kepler organizes all of the task context here on the left, like agent sessions, issues, and notes. Click any plus icon to add more context, like work trees, pull requests, or files. Let's tell the agent to proceed with the plan and watch it get to work. You'll see file changes populate on the right, and you can even click the agent graph icon to get a live view of the work. This is a great way to track its progress, and you can switch between horizontal or vertical layouts. Now, if you set up your remote hosting integration, you'll get a list of assigned PRs in the To-Do tab. Use the Actions drop-down menu to say, start a session to review the PR. Now let's just say you have an idea you wish to explore. Click to start a new task and just start typing your idea or ask questions to the agent. It's a great way to first explore an idea because you can always click to add work trees, issues, PRs, and other resources to the task later on. Check out other videos in this series to learn more.